Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. You see that eye right there? We're going to do that. I'm starting off with the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. Super affordable. Love e.l.f. primers. The next thing I'm going to do is add a little LA Girl Pro Concealer to my lid as a base. Blend that out with my finger. That's in the shade Chestnut. Then I'm using an eyeshadow. I think that's from ColourPop Cosmetics. It doesn't have a name, but that's a single eyeshadow. I'm also going to put Sublime from Black Up. That is a highlight, a very simple, smooth highlight. Putting that in the brow bone. That's a shade from Coastal Scents. It's Oktoberfest. We all know about Oktoberfest around here. That's an orangey brown shade. Love that for darker skin tone transition area. And they're having a sale right now. Check it out. This is the Semi Precious palette from ColourPop. I'm going to be using the shade Easy Go. Spraying my brush because it is a metallic shade and it makes metallic shades pop when you have a damp brush. It doesn't have to necessarily be super wet, but just get a little bit of spray and you're gonna see some really nice color payoff. I'm blending that out with a little bit of the Oktoberfest again. I'm gonna introduce this dark brown, also from Coastal Scents. That is Deep Roast. And in the very outer corner, this black is from Inglot. So because that Semi Precious palette had all metallics, I had to add in some matte shades. Just going back around things, and I'm using the CoverGirl liquid liner. Then I'm going to use a Stellazzi gel liner to go over it so that my lashes and my hooded eyes don't mess everything up. Rocking with the Peacock Flare mascara from CoverGirl. And applying the lashes from June's BoxyCharm box. Alright, we're using the Makeup Forever pencil. This is an M10, the one that I love the most. Does not smudge, does not move. Love it. Using Deep Roast again in the bottom lash line, smudging, 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 and that is a smudger brush. Blink Cosmetics has a fabulous lash primer. So you can get this one or one from the drugstore. I love that one. And Tarteist mascara is my hands down favorite mascara right now for my bottom lash line. It makes my bottom lashes look almost fake. Going back into the Semi Precious palette with two shades. I think that's Celestial and Upon a Star. They're going to be inside corner highlights. And that is it. Yeah, so this is your completed look. And I thank you guys so much for watching. The eyes turned out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I paired it with a neutral lip. ColourPop's BFF pencil to line my lips, and then I did a lip gloss from Iman, and this is in the shade Muse. This is my go-to. Love this thing. This is a sample and I've been rocking it for a very long time. Cyber kisses. Bye.